The best way to predict the future is to create it. What if I told you that your future isn't determined by fate, luck, or chance? What if I said it rests entirely in your hands? The choices you make today hold the power to shape the life you dream of tomorrow. This isn't just a motivational saying, it's a truth that has transformed the lives of countless individuals who dared to take charge of their destiny. The future. It's a mystery we all dream about. Will it bring success? Happiness? Fulfillment? These are questions we all ask ourselves. The future feels like a distant, untouchable concept, something we hope will unfold perfectly on its own. But here's the truth. It won't. Your future isn't waiting to happen, it's waiting for you to create it. The best way to predict the future is to create it. This quote by Peter Drucker isn't just a line to inspire, it's a call to action. Think about it. Every invention, every life-changing idea, every success story didn't happen by accident. It started with someone who believed in their ability to shape their own future. Every great achievement began with a single step. Not waiting for life to happen, but making life happen. Consider the stories of people who made history. Thomas Edison, who persevered through thousands of failures to invent the light bulb, or Oprah Winfrey, who rose above adversity to become one of the most influential voices in the world. What set them apart wasn't luck. It was their refusal to let life happen to them. They took charge, step by step, and created the future they wanted. What about your story? Every great achievement begins with a choice, a decision to act, to move forward, even if the steps seem small or uncertain. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each step builds momentum, and with momentum comes transformation. Your dreams are not meant to stay on paper. They're meant to be built, piece by piece, with hard work, resilience, and belief. Dreaming is important. It gives us a vision of the life we want. But dreams alone won't build that life. They need action to bring them to life. Imagine a painter staring at a blank canvas. The vision is in their mind, but it only becomes a masterpiece when they pick up the brush and start painting. Your dreams are the same. They're waiting for you to take the first step. That step could be as small as writing down your goals, starting a new habit, or learning a new skill. Each action, no matter how small, brings you closer to the future you've imagined. Don't just imagine the future you want. Take the brush. Be the artist. This is your life. You are the artist. Each decision, each moment, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your future. Some strokes may not be perfect, but every one of them contributes to the bigger picture. A picture that reflects your courage, determination, and vision. Your future is waiting for you, but it won't build itself. It's time to act, to create, to lead. This isn't about waiting for the perfect moment because that moment might never come. The time to act is now. Your future isn't somewhere out there. It begins here, today, with the choices you make. Start small. Take one step, then take another. Whether it's signing up for a course, dedicating time to your passion, or taking the first step toward a healthier lifestyle, the journey begins with action. Every step is a vote for the person you want to become and the life you want to live. So, define your dream. Commit to it. Be bold. Be relentless. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. You have the power. Now it's time to use it.